Recently, I met the problem that one of my earpods plays louder than the other one, so I decided to find a solution how to fix it, and I made it. So today I will show you how to fix it if you met this problem in your daily usage. So the first step, we just need to connect your earpods to your MacBook. So turn on the Bluetooth. And then all we need is just to connect our earpods to this computer. As you can see, they were connected successfully. And now here in the menu bar, we can click on it and see the sound panel right up here. We can see our earpods. And the next step we need to do is just go to sound preferences. Here the sound settings were opened and we can see our earpods in this menu. So the problem was that the balance of these earpods were disabled or something like that. It was closer to the left side, as you can see. So the only one thing we need to change is to move this one to the middle. And now the problem is successfully solved because the earpods will play correctly right up now. So I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please like this and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.